Muscle cars. They're a part of the Australian way of life. The aggressive lines combined with that unmistakable V8 rumble that gets the heart pumping. Many generations have seen the progression of muscle cars racing around Australia's best-known venue, Bathurst. Names like Firth, Bond, Moffat, Goss and Brock put these cars on the map. And it's these very cars that take pride of place in many enthusiast garages these days. Admired in childhood, desired in adulthood, the true Australian muscle car has transcended the level of hoon to become a collector's item. But imagine a car with all the look and feel of your favourite muscle car, only better. Over the coming weeks, you'll see the ground-up restoration of your favourite cars, the highs and the lows, the action and everything in between. With cars that perform as good as they look, and with an intensive hand-built process for every car, they certainly get people's attention.
Absolutely awesome. I mean, the finish on this car is unbelievable. All the hard to get at places, which most people either hide or usually cover it up with something or don't finish it. This car's actually got it everywhere. It's an amazing car.
As the current task for the crew to build, GC001 is an XY Falcon that will maintain the original presence and mystique of a GT Falcon, yet will be powered by over 700 horsepower of small block Ford power.
Trying to build something that's the ultimate machine.
Is it worth it? I believe it is. Look at it. It's perfect. It's an Australian muscle car. What else can you ask for?